Hello, fashion freaks! If you're new here, my name is Isabella, and today I have my friend Katie Koss with me.
What up, what up?
That's wait, the guitar is God? The mandolin?
No, the mandolin is the guy is God, and he just plays you.
Yeah.
No, this is like a white frat boy. He plays you, and you're the mandolin.
So that's not God.
No, that's not
God. This is doable.
Maleficent meets jungle meets golfer.
Oh, no. Hello, boys. Shirt. I'm too excited.
Look at the shoulder pads on this bad boy. Bean. Do you ever want the attention on you? Bean. As much as my eyes do. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it's painted on. Someone painted on this. Isn't that cute? Wouldn't give you shape. This size 2. Look, someone painted on this.
Yeah.
You looked at it? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Oh no! This could have been so good, but it's so bad. Sad.
How'd they get that picture of me? Don't know. Don't know.
Yeehaw!
Bruh.
Yeah. My heart just stopped. It's only $4. It's going in my collection. Are you still recording? I'm literally sweating so much. It's disgusting. It's like right on my upper lip. I'm like a man. Gross, but honest.
I'm just grabbing random items and seeing like, these are cute, but they're petite, and your girl's not petite. Not even a little bit. Oh, American Eagle. It's for Beanworks. This is aggressive. Really. Just want this one pair of pants. Mother of God. Oh, I don't even like that. Mother of God. Clogs.
$200.
It's
so
$200.
bougie.
Kathy has one.
Thirsty.
Oh my God, I'm screaming. They're my size. You're joking me. I love these kind of, they're style shoes, bro. That's cute. Are you judging me? Are you judging me?
No, not at all.
He's judging. Look at how cute these are.
These are denim.
Like, I feel like a little, like, 5-year-old, but it's fine because it's like 50s. That's cute.
Fun.
Hold the phone. My grandma had this bag. I feel like that's what my style is turning into. Your grandma's style. How does it look? Let's see. Could be better. Oh God, I'm a mess. We should have got a cart. What do you think, G? What do you think? Yes or no? No? We'll see, we'll see.
How about these shirts
Come
there?
at.
Yes. Both of them? That looks kind of short, love. Looks kind of short, snap.
Come at me.
It didn't work like I thought it would.
No, it's cute.
but It's alright.
What do you think?
I like it actually. It's not bad.
This is a hard no. I want to do that thing where they like tie it at the bottom. I feel like it looks weird. Like I have a little penis thing. And it's really big, like it's big here. In the tummy area. Above my buttocks. Bean? Oh wait, hold on. I wonder if I could find a hat. Just kidding, I don't want to wear like. I'm having a. Oh!
I don't know how I feel about the top, but I like the mix of fabric.
That's cute.
They're a little bit tight here, but I really like them.
I don't
like
know. I feel like this is a no.
But that is, I think you just need a belt.
But like, it's kind of loose here. You see what I mean?
But that's why it's like you wear a belt here.
Okay, let's go
Wait,
find a
try
belt.
this.
A black belt.
This one fits anywhere, so.
I feel like I look like a hooker.
That's not a bad thing.
And I feel like I wanted to do the tying thing. But it kind of looks like a wheatus. Yeah, this is a no.
It's not the worst.
The shoulder pads make me want to cry 1,000 tears. It's too big. But the saddle shoes make me happy. I feel like organist meets, I don't know. But I definitely feel like an organist. Oh, that's cute.
I don't know how I feel.
This is weird here.
Yeah, I don't like this because it should be like here,
Yeah.
but I like the shape of the bottom.
I feel like I
Also,
look like
shoulder
an
pads
organist.
are in.
No. I want to cry. I feel like an organist.
They're in Fashion Week.
After church, me and the Reverend are gonna go make sandwiches and drink lemonade on the front porch. Also, it's too big.
Yeah.
But look at the shoes.
They're fine.
I like them, and I feel like she hates them.
No.
Yeah, you do.
They just remind me of like a yodeling person on a commercial.
Why?
They're all like,
No.
yodeling.
No.
My money's in the car. Like, really? Yeah. Wait, let me see how much my stuff is. Looks like you're going out on like a night in the 80s.
In the 80s? I think it's like
I could be wrong though.